Ask ChatGPT the exact same question twice and you'll get two different answers. That's not a bug and it isn't magic either. It's a dial, one of four that you can actually control. Welcome everyone to lesson 6 of the Tech Intern. Today we go inside the LLM, tokens, context, and the four dials that decide every single word it says. Let's get into it. Quick recap from last time. An LLM has one tiny job, guess the next word. The cat sat on the mat. Pick it, add it, repeat. But how does it guess? What is it actually reading and what decides which word wins? That's the whole episode. First surprise, the model doesn't read whole words. It reads tokens, small standard chunks of text, sometimes a whole short word, sometimes just a piece of a longer one. Think of it like a chocolate bar, snapping into squares. Some words are one square, some take 2 or 3. In English, a token is roughly 3/4 of a word. But here's the catch, Hindi and other Indian scripts often cost more tokens for the very same sentence. And that matters because APIs charge you per token, both what you send in and what you get back. It's exactly like an auto-rickshaw meter. You don't pay per ride, you pay per tick, and every token is one tick. So when someone says a model has a 100k limit, that's not words and not characters. It's tokens, always tokens. The context window is everything the model can currently see in one go. The whole conversation, any documents, all of it. And it has a fixed size measured in tokens. Think of it like your teacher's whiteboard. Whatever's written on it right now is everything you can reference. And when the window fills up, there's only one option. Drop the oldest part of the conversation to make room. Like erasing the oldest corner of the board. The model isn't being forgetful. That content is literally gone. That's why a long ChatGPT chat suddenly forgets your name from an hour ago. It simply scrolled out of the window. So keep this line. Tokens are what it reads, context is how much it can hold. Now the fun part, before every single token, the model builds a ranked list. Every possible next word, each one with a probability attached. You've actually seen a tiny version of this today. The 3-word suggestions above your phone keyboard. Same idea except the model's list is thousands long. And the obvious move is to always take number 1. But always picking the safest word makes text that's stiff, repetitive, and honestly boring. So instead the model samples from that list. And 4 dials control exactly how it samples. Dial 1, temperature. It's a number, usually between 0 and 2. That you set when you call the model, and it reshapes the whole ranked list. Low temperature sharpens the list, so the top choice dominates. Turn it up and the list flattens. The underdogs get a real chance. It's the spice level on a menu. Mild means the same safe taste, every single time. That's your bank's support bot at 0.2. Extra spicy means adventurous mind, sometimes brilliant, sometimes a mistake. That's brainstorming at 0.9. But temperature isn't an intelligence dial. Turning it up doesn't make the model smarter, just more adventurous. Dials 2 and 3 are the tail cutters, and top K is the blunt one. It simply keeps only the K highest probability tokens as options and cuts everything else. Think team selection league, like only the top 5 batting averages even getting considered for the side. Top P is the smarter cousin name. Instead of a fixed count, it keeps adding tokens. Highest probability first, until their probabilities add up to P, say 90%. On a confident list, that might be just 2 tokens. On an uncertain list, it could take 6. In practice, they're guardrails. Temperature sets the mood, and top K and top P trim the crazy tail. So the cat sat on the helicopter never ships. One classic failure left. The model falls in love with the phrase and says it again and again and again. The repetition penalty fixes it. Every time a token gets used, its probability score gets nudged down a little. So saying it again gets less and less likely each time. It's exactly like an Antakshari rule. Sing a song that's already been sung and you lose points. Small dial, huge difference. This is exactly why modern chatbots don't sound like broken records. And that's the whole control panel. Tokens are what it reads, context is how much it can hold, and temperature, top K, top P, and the repetition penalty shape, every single word it says back. Next time you call an AI, API, these are exactly the knobs on the panel. That's the inside of the LLM. And honestly, most people using AI every day never learn this much. Subscribe and stay with us. There's a lot more coming this season.